Hello friends. Today we are repairing a Samsung microwave super grill. It is multifunctional. It can be used as a microwave and as a grill for chicken. In general, it works. But two buttons do not work. These are start and stop. These buttons are very difficult to turn on. You need to press them hard for them to work. Let's disassemble and see what's inside. We remember the location of the wires and the connection of the connectors. Two white wires go to the relay. In general, we remember or write down so as not to make a mistake later when assembling the microwave. Now you need to unscrew the screws from the inside in order to remove the front panel. I removed the panel and now I will unscrew the screws and pull the board out of the case. I heated the panel on a separator and then peeled it off. From the inside, we see that the layer that conducts current is falling apart. It is called a conductive gasket. It will need to be replaced with something or restored somehow, so that our buttons will start working normally. I want to glue a conductive foil instead of the old layer. In this way I will try to replace the old plate because it crumbles when touched. Now I will remove it and glue a new foil plate. So guys, I glued two foils and assembled the microwave completely, and also glued the front panel in its place. Now you see the full name of the microwave. Let's try to turn it on and press the stop and start buttons. As you can see, everything started working fine. Let's press these buttons. As you can see, the method works and the microwave now works just fine. As you can see, steam has formed on the glass, which indicates that the water is heating up in the glass. Another successful repair, friends. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe and see you in new videos.